Okay, let's have a look of the last exercise. Uh, in the first step, we need to download the server file from the web page. And yeah, just compile it. Open a terminal at the folder and run the compile command java c and the file name and run it. Then you can get a new file, compile file, so you can execute it with Java and the name of it plus a port number. Let's say 7777. Sorry, I should put 47. Please make sure your port number is like greater than 5000. And yeah, and the server is running right now, so we just put it aside. Then we need to have a client to run the to send some message to our server. So in here I have an example here. So I write a very simple Python program. At first line, I import a library called socket. So we will use the socket library a lot in this semester. And the second line, I define an address. So the address should be a tuple. And the first thing inside it should be the IP address of our server, of this server. So what is the IP address of it? Should be the local host. And what is the port number? Should be the number here we set. So it's 7777. And yeah, and this line, in the third line, we just do the initiation of the socket. So we just create an object of socket. Then we can use this object to help us to send the command, send some message to this server. And this slide I show send a message. So what is the message? I should define the message here. Let's say hello world. So this is a string, so we need to encode the string to send it to this, to the server, and send to this address. And here we set a timeout as 1 second. So if the server doesn't reply us in 1 second, we will consider it is timeout. And then we receive the response from the server, but we don't print it out. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Run this stuff. So you can see reply sent. Probably we can print the stuff and see, and run it again. Here are the response from the server. Yep. As you can see here, the server does not reply us, so we got a like timeout event here. So we can like write a try outside of it. You can put it try and except what is the exception name here? I think it's timeout exception. You can do it by yourself, but at here I just put it all the stuff as except. You need to add something here, right? Just remember to add something here, but I'm not going to do it to you. And just print server didn't reply us. and let's try to run it. Yeah, we don't print the server, we just print server reply us. Okay, so run it again. So reply us, and they did reply, and run it again until it didn't say anything. Yeah, so that's a basic Python script that can send some message and receive the reply from this server. So you may need to do some modification of it. So if you have any question, just let me know and see if I can help you.